really easy brows, especially if as you age. Yours have thin, they've shrunk, they're not there, or they never had an arch. But I do want to invite out my friend, Dr. Stuart Kaplan. Dr. Kaplan, I tried to find you. I'm sorry. Dr. Kaplan texted me. He said, I want to talk to you before the show. I said, I'll come see you before the show. Then I tried to find him before the show. I couldn't
I was
find
in
him.
the cafeteria.
It's all right. It's all right. That hot, trendy place we call our cafeteria is okay. Dr. Kaplan is a cosmetic and medical dermatologist. He sees celebrity clients out in Beverly Hills. And for 35 years, he has been a pioneer. Crushed diamonds are one of his proprietary concepts for taking skincare to the next level to create radiance. I want to tell you that what he's brought you today, which is shipping for free and has not been on since September, and this is the only presentation anyone will see of it in the month of January, is a face and body cream that, though it requires no prescription, it is clinically proven to smooth, soothe, and calm skin that is so itchy and so dry that it elevates to the diagnosis of eczema.
Eczema, that's right.
Eczema, which I suffer from, and it is
30 million Americans suffer from
Really?
it. Yeah, and even more probably have it and don't even know it.
Can we see some pictures and kind of walk us through? So eczema is essentially what? Clinically dry skin.
It's more than dry skin. It's dry, red, scaly, itchy, flaky, uncomfortable. It is a diagnosis that makes people depressed, uncomfortable with their own skin, and it doesn't respond. People confuse it with just dry skin, but it doesn't respond to typical dry skin creams, and that's why I created this. If you look at these befores and afters, you look at the redness, the scaling, the dryness, the peeling, the flaking. It looks uncomfortable. It is uncomfortable. This starts with 1.5% colloidal oatmeal. It's got 7 different anti-aging ingredients, but it's got 6 different hydration ingredients that are going to smooth. It's a luxurious, velvety, luxurious
Look at this.
hydration cream.
Put it anywhere, face, body,
Face,
elbows, knees, feet.
anywhere you're going to have dry skin. And in the winter, it's even worse.
Created by a doctor. So you know he's not going to put any weird artificial synthetic fillers, scents, fragrance, because that's some of the worst stuff that you can do for dry skin and eczema skin, because obviously it's sensitive skin. It doesn't want all that fruity fragrance. Peptides, babassu oil.
Babassu oil, by the way, is 70% lipid, 5 different free fatty acids. It's got other ingredients that helps protect the skin barrier, because that's the problem with eczema. The skin barrier is compromised, and as a result, you get, let's look at what this does. In this, who wants to have this skin? What you're getting is the colloidal oatmeal, 7 different anti-aging ingredients. So not only does it make your skin better clinically, it makes it look better. You're going to feel better about your skin. Vitamins, 6 different moisturizing ingredients, Centella asiatica, and when you apply it to the skin, all these things at once hit your skin. That's the key. You don't have to apply 2 or 3 different things to get these results, because then whatever you put on second and third is never going to work as the first thing that you put on.
Look at the calming and the soothing. I mean, unbelievable.
You're going
The
to feel
transformation.
better about your skin, and you're going to not obsess or feel bad about this uncomfortable skin that is worse in the winter and affects so many people. This is gentle enough to use any part of the body as many times in the day that you need.
And then you're putting it on face, you're putting it on body, you're putting it anywhere.
Elbows, knees, behind the knees, neck.
Is eczema genetic, or is it developed just situationally because of seasonal stress and things like that?
Great question. It's actually both. There is a genetic component, and then there are environmental components.
That's what I meant, yeah.
That make it even worse. So if you have that
look at
genetic
that.
component, look at that before and after. No one wants the before. The after, the skin is smoother, plumper, more radiant, because it's got the crushed diamonds like all my diamond contour technology does, but the skin is smoother, it's less red, it's less flaky, less irritated. It looks more comfortable. You're not depressed, you're not self-conscious
You're
about it.
not itching and scratching and abrading and breaking open the skin and absolutely just, frankly, in crisis
This
because
is a
of
clinical treatment.
For sure. And I do want to say, it has not been on since September. Dr. Kaplan flew out here because I said to him, listen, I have eczema. I've had it my whole life. I get it various places behind my ears. I have it now at the base of my hairline, all of it. And
You asked me, could you use this everywhere?
Correct.
The answer is yes.
But my question, what if I don't have eczema? I just have hateful winter dry skin that itches or rashes.
Another good question. You may not have been diagnosed with eczema, but if other things aren't working, you should try this because this is going to make a difference. People that go to the doctor get the diagnosis of eczema if they have it, but many people don't go to the doctor. And if you have dry, itchy, red skin that's not getting better, you probably have eczema.
I want to show you this study. We have 600 orders placed. Again, it ships for free, but only the easy pay on your screen can be grabbed until the end of today. You guys did a 14-day study, and you had people actually use this, and the results were extraordinary, but not surprising. You're a doctor. Obviously, it's like having a doctor give you a prescription for something that is incredibly effective. But in this case, what happened?
100% of the patients, we're talking about everyone in the room, said that their rashes were better. Their skin looked and felt smoother, more supple. The skin was calming, soother, moisturized. Those are the symptoms with eczema. That makes you feel better about yourself, gives you confidence about your skin.
My elbows feel so
The
good right
winter
now.
is the worst time for eczema.
Just because there's a lack of moisture in the air, or?
It's drier. It's like when your lips are chapped. If you just put water on your lips, it feels better temporarily, but what happens when when the water evaporates?
Yeah, they just...
It's actually worse. This is going to make your skin feel better.
Can I ask you something? Why is colloidal oatmeal like a little magic ticket for the soothing, the calming, and the anti-itching? Colloidal oatmeal is in this, and it's like 1.5%, which I imagine is like a nice hearty dose. But what does it do that's so great? I think we have an animation.
Because it's the colloidal oatmeal, but with everything else in the diamond contour, it's not just colloidal oatmeal. There's squalene, there's babassu oil, there's glycerin. Watch, I'll show you in the next slide, but look at all these ingredients. When you put this all on your skin, you're getting everything touching your skin all at once. Vitamins, colloidal oatmeal, 7 different anti-aging peptides. Because I want your skin not only to feel better, eczema-wise, but look better as well.
And I didn't actually mention this, which is kind of like way to bury the lead, Sean, but the reason why I love Dr. Kaplan's products, but particularly this one, is that for those of us that have really clinically dry skin and even eczema, rashes, typically the treatment for that is a kind of over-the-counter product that smells like medicine.
Doesn't smell like
medicine.
medicine.
That you buy in like the camping aisle or the bug bite aisle or this is a his clients are celebrities. Like, he can't have them smelling or frankly feeling like something disgusting that you just wouldn't enjoy using.
You're going to want to use this. Let me show you something. I'm going to turn this upside down.
Yeah.
Nothing comes out. This is a luxurious, this is a ganache. This is a luxurious body balm.
Wait, I have to go because we're running out of product. 1,200 orders placed. Please check out of your cart. Clinical repair balm for eczema, dermatitis, and dry skin. Oh my gosh, as we say goodbye to Dr. Kaplan, when you said ganache, it made me think of your gommage.
Yes.
You guys, I have to flash you this product. You want to talk about game-changing for your feet. So apparently gommage is a French